Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about Thai fried rice, prawn, garlic prawn Thai fried rice, because I love prawns and I'll pick that over any kind of meat. And look at this one. Look at this, guys. These are the brownies from Lish. She's her business is in Mount Druitt. Okay guys, so I'm looking at these and I'm thinking, oh, this would be really nice after my fried rice, right? And this is all the, I don't know what's the flavor. I know one of them is the blondie, and that's my favorite. And then I love the Milo. Oh, taste the Milo one, it's so delicious. The other ones, I can't really say very much about what they are. Oh, unless it's this obvious one. Ta-da! Yeah, well, we all know what that's called, eh? Red velvet. Red velvet what? I don't know. But that's after my fried rice, guys, so I just put it on the side here. And this right here. And I already said thank you to God for this food. Because that's the thing you have to do, you know. You don't just think this food just fell off from the back of the truck or something. Ha! You have to give thanks, guys. Anyways, ooh la la. Okay, I was thinking, where's my lemon? So they gave me this little lemon. Oh, I got this from the where my kids get their noodle box from. Okay. I didn't see much cheese fall down from there, but I saw a couple of pips fall down. Okay. If I have a couple of oh, that was sour. Yeah, it dribbled down alright. Anyway, so let's go, guys. I know I'm pretty colourful today. I might be in a colourful mood. So prawns. In America they call it shrimp. I used to be calling them shrimp too in New Zealand, and then come over here to Australia. Prawns. Oh, nice. Man, these Asian people can cook, eh? Hey, that's where we got to learn how to cook too. From our Asian extended family members. So lovely. Here you go, guys. There's a prawn in there, and some rice and bean sprout. No, I'll put this close. Ada pio dia. Ada. Watch it. And man, it's nice with this lemon. Come on, lemon. Give me this tiny baby wedge. No, what's that going to do, eh? Wait, make it packet. Oh. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Never had this before. Like, I've had fried rice tons of times, but I haven't picked this one on the menu. Man, here guys. I always ask for extra prawns. You know why? You know why? Because they give me about 6. I asked, how many prawns do you get? And the girl said, you get 6. And he said, I want more. I said, alright, your 6, carry my 6, and it's 12. I'm eating, but my eyes are looking at the brownies. Now the owner of this, she's a pretty looking girl, really beautiful looking Samoa girl. She makes really good brownies. The best, the best. Look at that. She used to sell it at the Black Cow Market, at the drive-in. And I used to go there all the time just to get me a box. And I used to go down Black Cow Market just to get me some of these brownies. So I'll buy me 2, 3, 4 boxes. And I just put it in the car, and then I come, and I start walking around the market. I will never think to go walk around and come back, because if you're slow, you're going to miss out. And you know, the Black Cow Market, they sell Hook Island donuts there, right? Hook Island donuts, mayonnaise, bucket. Oh, you know, you can tell they use a lot of bananas because it's really purple, right? And they, whoever makes it's got a good hand because it's got a chewy texture. That's the one I like. I don't like it when it's too like doughy. No, is it doughy? No, it's an arrowroot, eh? But and then they sell like curry and curry rice. And raw fish. They make nice raw fish too. No. No, no, but yeah. No. Very nice. Bean sprout. Drink is water. Who does the 10-cent collecting thing? Right. Our first 10-cent collecting got us $130. If you're committed to doing it, collecting all the 10-cent bottles, you can make a fair bit of money. Oh, so nice. Whoa. Good. I can't wait for the brownies. You know the girl, eh? The girl that makes this, very, very gifted and making food look so beautiful. Yeah. My favourite one is something blondie. I don't know what's called the first, but it's got blondie on it in the name. And then the second one is this beautiful Milo. I tell you what, so beautiful. Obviously it's a chocolate brownie with Milo put on top. Anyway, I chopped it up so I can have little bits because I can't finish up the whole block. And then my daughter took over the box. And they're at the back there somewhere. sharing it. All this. So, they said there was about 15. Hang on, let me count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. See, I lost count. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. There is 15. But my daughter said, oh no, there was 16. Wrong. There's 15. That's really nice. Are you trying that nice? Will that go again? What's this? Oh, it's a chunk of garlic. A chunk of garlic. Oh my God. My boy. Right. Here's the end part. Well, now I'm gonna come and try and kiss me after this. Go, oh my gosh. Oh, here's another one. Yeah, it's a meal. Oh, really? Which one are you? Look. I'll eat after this. Coffee a book of anything. Yeah. Nice, man. Yeah, it is a garlic. That's a garlic prawn, Thai garlic prawn. Yeah, got salt. If I put it out, I got salt. Wait a minute, even before this prawn is not enough. Next time I'll get me 20. Mom. No. Garlic. Any more? No. No. You know what? This salmon, they learn how to cook from the singers. Chinese people. You know why? Chow mein, sing it. Sweet and sour, sing it. Chop suey, I think we just added our own name to it. Chow mein, xiao ming. Chop suey. Fried rice, fried rice. Good eat one. That's so good. Fried rice is not really like a lot of things that we make a lot. Yeah. Salmon, yes. Sweet and sour, yes. Egg foo young, maybe. Chop suey for sure. You know, my auntie's husband, he was a little man. I always thought he was Chinese. He wasn't all that Chinese looking. I just figured he's, you know, that man that taught karate kick. Karate kid. You know how to do karate? Yeah, he sort of looked like him. Anyway, one time, this is when I was a kid, they said they weren't going to go to the airport to pick up his dad because he was coming over to New Zealand. And then when they walked through the door at our house, because remember we used to stay together, us, in comes this full Chinese man. And I thought, hey, where's this Chinese man going? And guess what he pulled over? This is way before things got strict. In his bag he had like branches and leaves and all in spring for his cup of tea and all that. It come all the way from China. And it comes with these twigs and leaves. I think, should I've had these ever? And I don't know how he communicated with his wife, okay? Because the guy, the Chinese man, did not know a lick of English. So oh, well, I guess you don't have to, be speaking English, I guess, or Samoa. Ah, what do you mean you can't speak English? My uncle's mother was Samoan. Oh. So, they must have spoken Samoan. Oh, not enough prawns. Look at this. Oh, got it. No. No, man. So that's what they do, right? Oh, nice. This man, alright. The Chinese man had twigs and leaves in it. Guess what? He even had a binoculars. No, not binoculars. 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 Ah, binoculars. C'est taboo. Binoculars. Okay, guys. For me now, it's called binoculars. Whatever. Yeah, binoculars. Và chunky food như young. Yeah, they like you won't want meal. But it's the garlic, but it's the prawn. Oh, fuck what is it? That is so good. Man. Yeah. Never yet. That other was good. Oh, very nice. One was good. One was. Right. Two work for yeah. Can you see? No. Okay, put it over there. You got him in. Look at that. Alright. Oh, that rice, beautiful. Yeah. Focus, concentration. Nah, go up. Do you know it's a cracker, Faye? When island families are on the table, and then they go, Yo, Milo, let's go up. You know, like they're gonna start eating. They call it goa. It's good because we are on the table to battle. Yeah, okay. I first start off with this beautiful Milo, okay? Moist. Alright, look at moist. Got mung. Okay, I'll go next to each other. Look at this one. It's got the little M&Ms on top. Now your kids will probably like this one. Oh, I was going to say, did I get an M&M? I'm not quite sure. What's your favourite colour M&M? Mine's the blue one. You know, Now this one's a chocolate Malteser one. It's got a Malteser right there. Ta-ra! I don't know what they're called, but all I know is they are delicious. Oh, hey. This one looks like it's got some, what's that chocolate biscuit that everyone loves from New Zealand? Tim Tam. Is it from New Zealand or Australia? No, sorry, Australia. Correction, Australia Tim Tams. It's like crushed Tim Tams. I might have it wrong. I don't want the owner of Lish Brownies, you know, commenting and say, excuse you, can you get it right? It's not, what did I say it was? Oh. Yum. Yum. Yeah. I'll take that Tim Tam. You know, lady, you that makes these, that owns this place, you are fantastic. I better not eat it all. I'll eat it later. Now, I've got to go through each and every one of them, okay? And I've got to tease you a bit, because I know you guys are going to lick our lips. Velvet. Red velvet. It's moist, light. Now, one more bite just to make sure. Yeah. Moist, light, and I want to put it in my mouth and eat it, but oh, I don't know what this is. Let me guess. You know these chocolate ones? They all look the same, but they go. It's like, you know. Can you see? Look. I just want you to see the moist, the moist of it. Oh, I don't know what this one is, guys, but look. If you guys are chocolate lovers, bye. I mean, get out of town. Walker. None. What is this? Man, she's so good. She's so good. Eh, now for the messy E. Now I don't know if I'm right, but I think this is the blondie one that I love. Look, why? Okay. Shh. Please, some silence for this special one. It's like it's got coconut. Okay. Now, I don't want her to comment and say, it doesn't even have coconut. Can you stop lying? Stop making it up. Wait there. This is why I love it. Oh, but that Tim Tam one, and the other chocolate one, they're all beautiful. Okay, wait for me. I'll be back. Okay. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow. Right, mate. What do you think that one is? Your guess as good as mine. I don't know. Oh, hang on. It's got chocolate on. It's got chocolate on top and shredded coconuts. Okay, here goes. Here, I don't know. If you guys know what these are, as I'm buying them, please say so. Okay? Because I know some of you have been there to this girl's shopping. It's like bouncy. Oh, because it's got the coconut on it. You know what? Now this girl is so good at this. This girl has mastered this to a T. To a T. To a T. Can you guys spell T? T. Okay, look at this. They're so pretty, you don't even want to bite into it, eh? But no, you gotta bite into it. What is this? Caramel, yeah. They actually like these bitters. Okay, guys. Look at this one. Which one do you think that one is? Oh, I haven't figured it out. No. Oh. No. Ah. This one has a nice, like, peanut butter flavor. It's probably a peanut butter brownie. That was really nice. But it's no good for peanut butter allergy people. No. You guys go after these other ones. Chocolate, rather. But anyway, yeah, did you see this up? It's the corner bit. I love the corner bit. Yeah. It feels hard, but it's so moist. Okay, two more. Two. Okay. Look at this one. Does anyone know which one this is? Let me tell you. I don't even know. What is it? Yeah, really. A real nice texture. Like firm. Caramel drizzle on top. Alright, look at that. Look at that. Oh no, I'll show you the side. Do you know what that is? Yum. You know what? So lovely. You know what? Lish, you make the best in town. Fried rice, Thai prawn fried rice, delicious. See, these go hand in hand. So guys, if you want to make a nice lunch for yourself, yeah, look, get these two together, or combination is so lovely.